Hey, this is Nate. Kim asked me to reach out to you and make this video. She's one of my business partners, and she said she was chatting with you earlier today. But I've got your website pulled up here. Wanted to give you a few pointers, just a couple tips and tricks. Looking at the overall layout of the site looks really good. The fact that you have your map down here is also a plus. Google really likes seeing that. It does help build trust with them. There's not a ton of content here. We really recommend about 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage and about 500 to 750 words on those back service pages. We're trying to get those keywords and keyword phrases that people are typing into Google organically into the content on your page. It's not the only way to be found for particular keywords, but it is the easiest and fastest way for Google to find those keywords and know that your site is relevant to what people are looking for. So I popped you into one of our SEO scanners that we have. Your title tag and your H1 tag are two of the absolute most important things that Google is looking for. So your title tag right now says home, down and dirty power cleaning. You want to get your keywords into this title tag, and you've got up to 70 characters. So I was looking up, it looked like you're in Boynton Beach, Florida. So I would do like Boynton Beach pressure washing and then a dash down and dirty power cleaning. Get that keyword in there that has the location that you're in and what you do, and then do the dash and put your company name down there for branding purposes. You currently don't have a meta description or an H1 tag. Your H1 tag is normally the first thing on your website. So I was kind of thinking that this right here would be your H1 tag, but it's not showing that you even have one on there right now. So right above this right here, I would do the same thing. Boynton Beach, Florida, pressure washing, make that your H1, and then put your company name right below it. Like I said, that H1 is one of the first things that Google is going to look at to know what your site is about. That H1 tells Google what you want to be found for. So definitely, try to get that in there. Your title tag, like I said, do the same type of thing. Boynton Beach, Florida, dash down and dirty power cleaning, or Boynton Beach, Florida, pressure washing, dash down and dirty power cleaning. I'm sorry. Just kind of show you what this stuff is. I did look up pressure washing in your area. All this right here is that title tag, and then this right below it is that meta description. As you can see, all of these guys that are ranking up here, they've got pressure washing, where they're at, power washing, where they're at, pressure washing and where they're at, pressure washing and where they're at. So they've all got what they do and where they are in this title tag, which shows you how important that is as far as getting ranked. All of these top guys, they all have that in here. Everybody on this first page. So just want to give you a few pointers. Hope that helps you out. If you got any questions, need any help, feel free to reach out to us, and I will talk to you later. Thank you.